Today we're going to have a quick look at the order of operations, and to do this we're going to use the age-old expression of "please excuse my dear Aunt Sally." The order of operations is important because it shows us the correct way to solve problems so that no matter who is solving a problem, we all can end up with the correct answer. Now, as you can see, the P stands for parentheses and the E stands for exponents, but once you get to the M and the D, you'll notice they're both in the same color. And that's very important, and that is because when you get to multiplication and division in the order of operations, you do whichever comes first in the problem. And it's the same thing for adding and subtracting. If you'll notice here, they're both written in blue ink. So when you're working on a problem that has both of them, you do the one that comes first in the problem. Let's solve this problem using the order of operations. Here we have division, addition, and multiplication. And as the rule states, when you have division and multiplication in the same problem, you do whichever comes first. So we're going to solve 28 divided by 7, which is 4. Now it is very important after you do one operation to bring down everything else in the problem exactly as it is. So now we have a new problem, 4 plus 3 times 5. Well, we have multiplication and addition. Multiplication comes first, so we'll do 3 times 5, which is 15, bring down what's left, and then we end up with 4 plus 15, which equals 19. In this problem, we have two operations of multiplication and some subtraction. But because the subtraction is in parentheses, we shall do this part first. So 7 minus 2 is 5. And then I'm going to bring down everything else exactly as it is. And now we have multiplication twice, so we just do them from left to right. 3 times 5 is 15. Bring down the times sign and the 9. And then we just solve 15 times 9, which gives us an answer of 135. Let's look at one last problem. So here we have multiplication, we have some division, we have some addition, and we have some subtraction, and we have parentheses. So as always, we start with our parentheses first. 8 minus 2 is 6. I'm going to bring down everything else exactly as it is written. So now I have addition, division, multiplication, and subtraction. The rule says I'm going to do division first. So I have 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then I'm going to bring everything else down. Alright, so now I have addition, multiplication, and subtraction. Out of all this, multiplication will come first. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 6 minus 2. And now I have addition and subtraction. They are equal, so I do whichever comes first in the problem. 6 plus 10 is 16. Bring down my minus 2. 16 minus 2 is 14. And there you have the order of operations. Just take it one step at a time. Follow the rules of "please excuse my dear Aunt Sally," and you should have no problems.